The ultimate DIY wedding flower hack if you want to repurpose your ceremony flowers at your reception. First, you're going to want to use a floral cage. This one has a little hole at the top so I can nail it into my wall and try to hang it at the same vantage point as it's going to be styled at the ceremony. You can also use command hooks. I'm using artificial flowers here because they're just so much easier for beginners and you can design your pieces months in advance. I do find artificial flowers look best when you take off the greenery and style them one by one. Now think of this as a puzzle piece. This is going to be one of many pieces that can kind of fit together. So keeping that in mind, I only really like to use 1 to 3 flower varieties per segment to get that modern look. Okay, now my favorite part about this technique is you can easily take your hanging segment down and style it flat for your reception centerpieces. There may be a few flower placements that just need a small little touch up, but overall this is going to be the easiest way to reuse your ceremony flowers for your reception. I'm going to be super honest with you guys, I just really don't love the look of artificial greenery, so designing your wedding flowers in smaller segments like this will make it easy to add in fresh flowers or greenery.